Welcome to Footlogix Education, providing foot care professionals around the world the means to give an exceptional foot care experience. This easy 10-step training session will demonstrate the transformational Footlogix professional pedicure with innovative products, tools, and techniques to broaden your knowledge and ultimately grow your pedicure business. Step 1. Consult. At the onset of the pedicure appointment, set your client comfortably in the pedicure chair and have your client fill out the Footlogix Pedicure consultation form. This will help identify any foot care concerns, medical conditions, or allergies, and will assist you in understanding your client's foot care needs and ultimately build strong, long-term client relationships. While your client is completing this form, you may choose to use the Footlogix Foot Fresh deodorant spray. Applying 2 short microbursts to each foot will leave your client's feet refreshed and eliminate any foot odor, preparing them for the next step. Step 2. Evaluate. After your client has completed the consultation form and you have reviewed their information, remove the client's nail polish and conduct a visual foot and leg evaluation. Examine their toenails, the bottom of their feet, specifically the heels. Check the skin between the toes and make note of any irregularities. If there are no abrasions or open sores, you are ready to begin soaking their feet. Follow the pedicure procedure according to the client consultation. Do not service any clients with broken skin, open wounds, ulcers, or abrasions. Refer them to a medical professional if necessary. Step 3. Prepare. Add 1 pump of Footlogix foot soak into a foot bath. We recommend soaking the feet for 5 to 10 minutes or less than 5 minutes if the client is a diabetic. The Footlogix foot soak hydrates the skin and softens the calluses, making cuticle work and callus removal easier and less time-consuming. While your client's feet are soaking, another value-added step is to spray Footlogix Shoe Fresh deodorant spray into their shoes to kill odor-causing bacteria. The client will have refreshed shoes to wear after their pedicure service. Step 4. Exfoliate. Lift your client's feet from the foot bath and gently pat dry. Dispense 1 pump of Footlogix exfoliating seaweed scrub into the palm of your hand. Apply to the feet as well as the lower legs in an upward circular massaging motion. Add a little water to emulsify the scrub. Wrap the lower leg in hot or cold towels to double as a detoxifying mask. Put the client's feet back into the foot bath to rinse the product off. Once the scrub is removed, dry feet thoroughly. Step 5. Nail care. Once the feet are dried, apply a small amount of Footlogix Professional Cuticle Softener directly onto the cuticle and nail fold of each toe, and allow to absorb for 60 seconds for easy removal of excess debris. Spray the Footlogix Callus Softener on the soles of the feet, liberally apply to calluses and dry skin. In order for the callus softener to be effective, it must absorb for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Skincare. While the callus softener is penetrating the layers of the epidermis, cut the toenails clean around the nails, in the groove, and under the free edge. Shape the free edge, clean the cuticle area, and buff the nail plate. When the skin is no longer wet but slightly tacky, file the soles and don't forget to file around the back of the heels with a sterilizable Footlogix stainless steel file. Reapply callus softener and cuticle softener as needed. You can see how well the file and callus softener work together. The callus simply rolls off the bottom of the foot with only little pressure required. Once you have finished filing the bottom of the feet, reapply the callus softener and wipe with a soft towel. This will remove any skin debris left behind. Do not rinse the foot with water, as the callus softener and cuticle softener will continue to hydrate the foot long after the pedicure is completed. Repeat steps 5 and 6 on the other foot. Step 7. Rejuvenate. To rejuvenate the skin of the feet, apply a walnut-sized amount of Footlogix Very Dry Skin Formula or Footlogix DD Cream Mousse to each foot and massage the lightweight mousse into the skin. Pay special attention to the dry and calloused areas and in between the toes, as Footlogix Mousse is a product that can be used interdigitally. This is a great way to show your client how quickly the mousse absorbs, penetrating the layers of the epidermis and instantly hydrating the skin without leaving a greasy residue. To hydrate and condition cuticles, apply a small amount of Footlogix cuticle conditioner directly onto each cuticle area. Massage into cuticles in a circular motion, which will leave the client's cuticles smooth, softened, and hydrated. Step 8. Massage. Once the pedicure is complete, massage your client's feet and lower legs with the non-occlusive Footlogix massage formula. 2 to 3 pumps are sufficient for a 5 to 10 minute massage, after which the Footlogix massage formula will be completely absorbed into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Clients will love the results, as their skin feels silky soft. Step 9. Beautify. Nail polish will beautify your client's toes and complete the actual hands-on segment of the Footlogix pedicure process. Before applying the nail polish, take a damp towel and simply wipe off the nail plate. Since there are no occlusive oils in professional Footlogix Pediceuticals products, there is no need to dehydrate the nail plate before application of polish. While the polish is drying, go over the recommended foot care products with your client, which are to be used for continuing home care. Step 10. Recommend. To conclude the Footlogix pedicure process, use the at-home care pad to check off the recommended Footlogix home care products. Instruct the client on the application techniques of the product they will be purchasing. Any specific instructions may be written on the back of the form and given to the client while polish is drying. As you can see, the Footlogix 10-step process elevates the standard pedicure to a transformational pedicure. This is where Medi meets Pedi. Should you have any questions relating to the techniques shown or any other Footlogix Pediceuticals products used, we welcome your inquiries.